So here we are sitting inside the cab of this Kenworth T880 with the dumping flatbed on the back with the Princeton piggyback kit. Some important things to remember when you're operating this truck. Very, very critical, so please pay attention. The first thing and most important with this body is when you have the forklift on, these body locks that will be identified outside must be locked. I'll repeat again. When you have a forklift on this truck, the body hold downs must be locked. And the same goes for when you have the forklift off and you are using this as a dump body, those body locks must be unlocked. We'll go outside next to show you that. When you have the PTO on and you're getting ready to dump this body, please be aware that the engine must be running and the PTO must be on when lifting or lowering the body. If the PTO is not engaged, the hydraulic reservoir will overflow and you'll have hydraulic oil all over the ground. So again, make sure the engine is on and the PTO is engaged when you're dumping and lowering the body. When the body is in the air, this bed raised light will illuminate. This is your indicator that the body is not properly down. So please pay attention to that as well. Your dump controls are here next to your driver's seat. This allows you to put the hoist up and down. So let's step outside so I can show you the body hold downs. Now that we're outside the cab, I want to draw your attention to the body hold downs that are located on both sides of the truck. They are identified here by the stickers, body hold downs, and they are directly under the truck and are attached to the truck frame rail and over the long sill of the body. Again, when the forklift is on, this is the position that these must be in. When we're going to dump the body, we come out, remove the safety latch, pull the handle, and pull the bracket from over the long sill. Again, they are equipped on both sides of the truck and they must both be removed before dumping this body. So now that we have them removed, I'm going to go back inside the cab and we're going to put the body in the air. Okay, here we are back outside the truck with the body up. These are those hold downs we were talking about. As you can see on both sides of the truck, they've both been disengaged so this body can dump. Like I said, the hoist we've installed on this truck is a twin cylinder, approximately 30 tons of lifting capacity. So you'll have enough to dump this body. Hydraulic tank and your controls are located here at front of the truck. Here's that body up indicator lamp. So this is what turns the light on and off inside the cab. And very important feature, your body props. Always make sure your body props are up if you're underneath a lifted body. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please make sure that this happens. As we talked about earlier, the way we've reinforced the back of this truck to dump and also carry a piggyback is by the heavy plate we've installed inside the long sills at the back of the body here. What this does is take any opportunity for cracking, bending, or bowing at the end of the body. These are features that Enoven builds into every one of its products for longevity, durability, and safety. So always remember, when you're driving an Enoven truck body, you're driving innovation.